Hey, 7th grade, this is the video lesson, just kind of reminding you about some things for September 3rd, Thursday, September 3rd. So the first thing I kind of wanted to remind you of was all of the assignments you owe me. Please go to Hack on the school district website. Check to see what is in as a 0 right now, so that way you can email me and I can help you find it, or you can go on the assignments page from last week and find the links that you need. I also wanted to remind you about the test that is tomorrow. It is Friday. It is on Canvas, but as always, like I said, if you need a paper copy or need something different, let me know. Okay, we can make it happen. So please check out the rest of this video. I'm going to show you where you can go to find some stuff to help you for the test. Okay, so if you go to course modules, so if you log into Canvas, go to course modules. If you click on the lesson notes and links, it's going to link to all the lessons from this week that you can review. It's also going to have the link to the Nearpods, and it's going to have a study guide that you can work through for some practice questions. And then today in class, what we did was we played the Kahoot. Okay, so we did a live Kahoot today in class, but I have a student-paced Kahoot you can click on right here. That's got a bunch of practice questions and stuff that you can use to help you study. Okay. Now, if you go back, once mine loads, and you go down to the assignments, it has the links to the Kahoots and the Nearpods and the study guides, all things to help you. Okay, I'll put the lesson links up there as well. And then the test is here at the bottom. It's only going to be available on Friday. Like I said, if you need a paper copy or you need something else, please talk to me before you leave school. Please shoot me an email if you've already left school and you need something. I'm also going to email this out so that everybody can have access to it, but it's going to be right here on Canvas too if you need it. Okay. If you need anything, please let me know. For right now, today in class we just studied together, so if you miss class for some reason, just take this time to study for your test tomorrow. All right, folks, have a great day.